going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we have another brand new unboxing. So today we have the AirPod Pro 3s along with a case for it as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these guys open, shall we? First pull tab. Seems like this year the box is significantly smaller compared to the previous gen. They have the design by Apple in California, and there they are in all their glory. We'll go ahead and set those off to the side for just a second. And notably this year, the only thing that you get in the box is the extra ear tips and the earbuds themselves. You no longer get a USB-C to C cable in the box. So keep that in mind. And then as far as all the sizes go, we now have 4 sizes this year. We have the extra small, small, and large. So by default, the mediums are on those guys. Put those ear tips back in. And of course in here we have just all of our standard paperwork, nothing too fancy. Okay, and then let's go ahead and get this case unboxed as well. This is a ESR case, so this should keep the AirPods nice and protected, especially against falls. Okay, that is everything in that box. And this is just kind of all of the info there, and here she is. This is the brand new AirPod Pro 3 case. As you can see, there's no more pairing button there on the back. And that's to be expected. It is now capacitive, just like the AirPod 4s. Then here is our new lanyard loop. Okay, and then let's go ahead and get the actual AirPods in their case. They've got the same sort of magnetic fidlock structure. Looks like this time around, instead of plastic, this is more fiber/paper based. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Look at that. And then you have my name engraved into those. Okay, and then we will kind of just put it in the case. Okay, that is that part on, and I'm dropping things now. Okay, then we'll peel this little adhesive layer off of the sticker. That's going to let the lid stick to it. Beautiful. It's nice and solid. Just like that. They look excellent. But that's going to do it for this unboxing. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like. Also comment and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.